Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a quick video on how to load a clone repository on Ignition, load it up to GitHub, and then pull it from GitHub and open it back up into your designer. So make a file, git repo trial. I named my folder cheap sauce, and that's also my repository that I created here called cheap sauce. So let's go ahead and do the git bash. So basically we're just going to clone the repository. I'm going to skip through that because you guys know how to do that, I assume. Well, actually, let's just go ahead and do it. Git clone, and then copy this, paste here, enter. Okay, and then we're going to do git add all. Goodness. Oh yeah, that's right. So I forgot, after you do that, it's going to pop up as git, and nothing's going to be in there. So we want to go to we're going to open up our designer. We're going to grab the project. It's loading right now. Machine data view is the project, so we're going to grab that project. We're going to export it into this file. So I like exporting it this way. I just do export and then select all and export. So it's going to push it into here. Let's just name this the same name, cheap underscore sauce. Okay, so I exported all of the data in the designer. Let's go and check it out. There it is. Now we're going to go back to our bash right here, and then git status. There you go, it's showing in red. Git add git commit am, and then initial. Okay, and then git push. Okay, so I think this actually kind of takes a while, so I'll speed through this. Okay, it has completed, so let's go ahead and refresh this page here. Okay, so we can see that we have our initial commit is here. Okay, so I'll do both ways, but I'll show you the way not to do it as well as the way to do it. So we're going to download the zip. Download the zip, name it whatever you want. I'll just name it without the main. Save. Let's go find that. Okay, here it is. So basically, let's go back to the Ignition gateway and let's go to import project. So we're like, all right, it makes sense, right? Let's just import it. So let's go ahead and do it this way first. So it's a zip file. Ignition gateway accepts zip files, and it shows what it accepts. So if I put this one in there, it'll show it only accepts .proj, XML, or zip. So let's go ahead and grab the zip file here. And then we're going to name this without extract. Import that. It'll pop up here. Here in a minute. Let's see, there it is. So without extract. And then I'm also going to go and extract it first. So I'm going to go here, extract all. As you can see, extract that. Okay. And it extracted as cheap sauce main. So let's go ahead and import project. Choose. And I'm going to open up as you can see here, I'm opening up the extracted called cheap sauce. It has another folder, cheap sauce main, and then it comes into a zip. That's what we actually need. So I click on that. This is a with extract, import. So we have without extract, we have with extract. What we're going to do is log in, and we're going to open both of those projects in the designer, and then I'll kind of show you what I ran into. Basically, I didn't have any data in the one that I didn't extract with. So here's with extract. Maybe I can do this while it's opening that one as well. Let's try it out. Maybe not. So we've got that project loading. We have another, this right here starting. Let's see if we can do double. Okay, sign in again. And then we're going to do without extract. So as you can see here, with extract is open and without extract. So we'll take a look at without extract. And basically all of your files, your designer will open and it looks like everything's fine, as you can see here. But if I go to my perspective, I go to my views, I have nothing in my views. I have nothing in my scripts anywhere. It didn't pull any of the data at all. But when I do, I'm going to close that with extract, go to perspective, views, it has everything I need. It has all of my data. So yeah, I just wanted to make that video because I spent a lot of time trying to figure this problem out. Hopefully you guys found it helpful.